Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Please, this video will be a quick one. I know a lot of people will get up to see the video. Please, there's a video that I want to make, but I don't have the picture. I'm going to picture on your Buddha. They're like this picture, because and then this picture on your Buddha like this, right? And when also a picture Jpac is all you pants red Ogechi Okeke Njaka, claiming that he's the same way this one claimed that he's creating content. Because any dream that picture, I know I used to have it, but I don't know where it is. And day one, good morning. Any dream that picture, please, if you have it, please do me a favor and send it to me in a video because I want to see something in that video. Because any dream that picture, because it's very, very important. Picture how you pant red and make a post. You can go there and post it under that post. Because I need it as soon as possible. Because before me share on Basa. Please. Very, very important. Jpac, I saw you praising one Ashawo. Said, thank you for standing on the truth and correcting you on your errors. Jpac, you're no longer ready for me. You're looking for one Ashawo who go present. Don't worry, when I finish with you, I go face that Ashawo. Now me and I'm go close this Facebook. And when I pass it than saga. No, people have been calling me okay. No. But you see you, when I'm done with you, is it that Ashawo where you they praise? Now me and I'm go short to this. Oh, wow, saga I got one of the hottest saga on this blue app. No, people have been calling me, big man, I hope people Ogechi is afraid of so person. Ogechi. Relax, I know. When I'm done with Jpac, I'm go check Jpac Koba. Then maybe you do a saga mpota. Apamona ya. We shall see. Onye boss near. You know, sometimes you said when they do class again, but sometimes you get weird, you reduce yourself to their level. Facebook get one. So don't call anybody for your rescue at the moment. When I'm done watching G. Now let me tell you. I will target, like I said, let me make it clear. Until you apologize to my dad. And I'm not like him, do not apologize. Because in the name of one, I actually made the commercial for free. You might want a little brain. They are not doing it. They are coming to collect or for you. And I'll be collecting really. So instead of actually destroy Changi when they believe that they are the good people. Hey, if you talk about this, I will go for commercial in name. You brain. I know you think they are saving you. Let me open you your little sense that remaining. They will collect your job and eat it. Cause now also everybody day. Nobody likes you. The person that claiming to like you see why I have not been trying anything to deviate what I'm saying. They will claim they want to run free ad, but the person will see the idiot as a good person and they will collect you. You may destroy you. You have to do the need for you. Oh my father, an apology. Oh my mother, an apology. Is the facts. If you don't understand, you guys can say whatever you like. Ogechi is looking for contacts. Don't reach for me. Now my contacts, they look for me. So all these things when they do, they cover up. Then go collect food from your mouth, eat. Those are the you can't see that you can't do the when I'm baby chain lacha destiny gi. They will pretend to love you because they want what you have. I don't want anything you have. Before that put on Facebook, I don't do investment to finish. I am investor myself. What I go? before maga your hair. So anybody want to tell you, say, he can't cancel you, I will stand for you, I will go and run that commercial. They will collect your matter from you, and that is the mission. Okay, oh yeah. Let me block you so you will not see my saga again. Oh yeah, Otilo. Otilo Shingafo. I don't deal with. You what I go? I don't deal with. I'm a tirigi. Onyo ola nyeregi ad. I will be your worst nightmare. Achoromka. Other hustlers. Bianana ginlinaka. Pretending to be standing by you. In my way, brain. All you need is a rescue. All you need in this game is rescue. Thinking that anybody that rescuing you no, they will be the good person because you're no longer giving the service that the people nigga commercial required. Now they will come and collect it in the name of Ogechi is doing you wrong because your brain is so daft. I'm a kujirage something you don't understand. My mission is to see others that are better than you. So your service are no longer needed. Now let's give it to somebody who can do it better than you. That is the vision. And they are beginning to come to pretend to be a good person on your presence. Yeah, we hear now it's beginning to come to reality. Ige put on me. Ige put on me. Because any dream pants right down. Oh, you did not content go criteria. I won't saga myself. Just that people have been calling me Ogegno. But when I'm done with you, I'm going to Facebook what I go? So, but for now, I'm able to do so. Other people, I like you. I'm speaking for you. Bianana get the thing, the name for free. Email a commercial for free will not give you money. From there, they will collect only no. Emana brain give for a kuzu. Emalo chief. Emalo chief. You want to go? Emalo ife. Brain give your IQ is very poor. You want to go? Emalo chief for fuma. And we have anything to lose na any round of saga. My mission and your mission is not the same. My mission and your how do you think your enemy will suddenly like you? Your enemy will suddenly like you. I don't do commercial. I will come and be doing it for free. I will go and rent 200,000. No get you. Now people will wait, they hustle their pay. No, if the Igbo is no longer paying, they use another way to hustle. Look at so Jpac over sudden they like you. Hi. Oh my brother, you want them but brain. I don't see. You don't say, oh thank you for standing on the trip. Man, elite. You are just a moron. Imarife. Ige merila nemu na nemu apology. Ige merila mamu na mpamo apology. Whether you like it or you don't like it. Or I'm gonna make sure people will pretend to like you and collect your money, collect your brand, go another place. That is my mission. You owe my dead father an apology and my mother that didn't do you anything. Even they sent me your father's and your mother's picture. I will not bring it up, but I may put everything on your what I'm about you. Tomorrow, guys, it's and I'm about game of stupidity. Hey, I like you today because Ogechi apologize and doesn't. I don't know. I'm not my baby. I don't my koeri. But I got my gwagi. Namua with the grandmaster of Saga. Bruto to Nina Nyegina Kada Metiria. Let others pretend to be the one doing that commercial. Actually, I'm getting others. Ima, Nanda Nambrana mi Amarom Nakegi your IQ is very small. Nobody. I don't care. Whoever come to pretend to be a good person to go and rent camera 350,000 to say okay, you can't do. All of a sudden your enemy become your best friend. And I And you're just a daft. You're a daft. You owe my mom and my daddy's apology. An apology. Whether she gives me apology, hey, scatter your marriage. Now you and their business is none of my business. If you sign such contract with them, now you and you are don't give a fuck. Because people have been calling me, okay, don't do this, don't do that. I'm the very brutal and dangerous. And I call you. You must apologize to my dead father you humiliated. You must apologize to my dead father you. I don't care who wants to come for your rescue. They are coming for your pockets. Those people that are thinking, Ogechi, I'm coming to collect big men, are interested in those big men. Ogechi is looking for that big man. But they are interested and now want to do it for free. Oh, Jpac. Jpac. We have a long way to go in this saga. Thank you for wisdom. It's a manambra people now mind here, but some people are olodo. You want to go? Those that are claiming to love you overnight because they can't stand the pain. They can't stand the pain, dear booby. They want to measure me with them. Banana, other possible. Just love you overnight. Now want to protect the now lie. The mission for you not to get that thing direct to yourself. Okay. Oh yeah, Otila. I block your destiny. Get the fuck out of here. Shingafo. I gotta make sure. That anything you put mouth to commercial, hold on, let me block this idiot. Oh yeah, Otila. You want to go? I gotta make sure that those that are pretending to love you now will collect anything banaganaka will be fight oga saga. Anything that enters your hand that saga products. That is the mission. So others that love you may that commercial. That is the thing. That is the game. I mean home that again your others to do. Whether my home for free. Alright, not everybody like me. Okay. Obasa honogeoya, Otilo. Ngbapo. I don't want you to be among poor. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop gamia. Stopping or no stopping. We are not stopping anybody. Just that any way saga products. Anything no put to Rakaga ways. I'm not telling you I'm stopping him. You will not Rakaga we hog. No will not Rakaga way saga product. Upon Mara Obarala Gemana Ebahamega what they call it. Ebahamega market today. One year. Let me block you. Oh yeah, get out. Shinga for get out. Shinga for. I don't want you to see it as anything. I want you guys to be patronizing it because I sagagamia. I just go no get patronize the because I'm sagaring it. After all, that's another way of commercial. You want to go? That's another way of commercial. Actually, I'm sure that people they make Igbo or Igbo products, but not like a Jpac. Actually, I'm sure those that pretend to love Jpac overnight, we don't know what I want to hear. Don't block me. I want to see the end of this photo. You want to go? So, the mission has beginning to execute now properly. properly that ihe no ya n'aka adịghị mma na enweziri ndị ga-eme ya for free. You don't understand the strategy. Na ihe a na-enyezi ya n'aka na-akwụ ya ụgwọ, other people are willing to do it for free. Ha mechara na ha ọtọ n'elu ya, still ha collect ego n'elu ya. That is how it works. That thing on a collect in ego n'aka, other people are not doing it for free. So you don't understand the strategy of the whole thing. Uno ndara wa pare koronno. Ndara. Am I saying that other people cannot do the ad? Let them do it for free. Especially on Naka Jpac is here. You don't even understand the concept of the whole thing. I'm a free and a apology. Oh no for. So I don't care who want to come to be your rescue. It's none of my goddamn business. After those people or matter when they give me for free. So there is no need of paying you for you to do it. Because you're bargaining call here raro. That is the game. It's not about winning or it's not about it's not about who is doing it for free. It's about that the thing Jpac is no longer valid. That is the game. I should get man before my people many people in here for free. I will know now we declare wanted. Anything is possible. And I call you, I got me for free. Yeah, that day later. You don't understand that I on camera that other people can volunteer their Igbo and do it for free. That is how it works. Now these people, I'll do it for free. You can't cancel it. Hello, that is what we are made of. You are a free product, and you continue to commercial for free. The person that is no longer valid in his hand. That is what I'm saying. Whoever wants to do it, you may try again because that's your product. That is your free market. It's not gonna be paid again in your hand. You don't understand. I should give me for free. That is the bone of contention here. Ogechi, do not apologize. I will break your home because she need that. She need that to enter. Nah, wisdom is profitable to direct. Let other people make it to be real. Let other idiots or some prostitutes make it to be real. I don't give a fuck. Especially no back now. It's condemned. I'm not calling. I'm going to when they get volunteer. I'm going to make enemy. I know I'm going to be enemy. I know the enemy will come to support. It's not the one that's been supporting you. Is it not the one that's been supporting you? Do you think they're supporting you that they like you? No, because they are my enemy. They have to join other people to make a point. But my point never stopped. My point, my stand will never shake. You don't get it. I'm not calling. I'm not married. I'm not calling. The same Ogechi is looking for big shots. Is it not the same connection you want to get before you start free marketing? Have you ever seen anybody not born on that name everything that do something for free? The connection where they don't be what they look for. It's the same game, but I got bug in the game. You should carry again because you will lodo. You also. As far as Shigina Kanaga is condemned or the Roma. Okay, matter. Of course, I want to make enemy on any platform. I want to make enemy that people like to go there and criticize me. I want to make enemy where people will go and criticize, but the thing will happen me, brought out all and happen me on destroy here. I'm not coily. What is my business within the mega for free? What wanna give away baby until you apologize to my father and my mother? I don't have time. I have a mission. You cannot, when a path you cannot cross. There is a path you cannot cross. You all know what I'm getting mechage. And when a path you cannot cross, you cannot over. It got cross to that part. People that don't value their parents, they don't value their mother. That is your business. But for me, as far as you are the first person, or as far as you are the first person that gave it to my enemies, yes. Are you okay? Igeje juon negi mori okay. Igeje juon negi mori okay. You what I go? Igeje juon negi man negori okay. I know you a weakener. I'm a weakener. You will not sit down and remember one thing and then again negi me negi. I know. That is why you don't value them. You what I go? As for me, I will value them for the rest of my life, whether they are alive or harm. You understand the game? They are aware of what I'm saying. Whether that valueness can gather. Maybe people that cannot, that don't know what it takes to have parents. That don't have parents. People who the value of your parents. Whether one thing or two or two things, you can still remember it to stand by the grace of God. And I shall not bohoma. Because you could be on a video, what all this long process I'm talking now. You could be because you that picture Jpac is so pants white. Sorry, pants red. That picture Jpac is so pants red. Any dream here? That pants red also. That pants red also. I know you, Jpac, I know you're looking for a savior on this game. But I can that those people you're looking for their savior are not my problem. Now you are the problem. Until when I'm done with you, then I will look for who else is my problem. Good morning, pretty angel. You want to go? So let's continue. Because that Kasebola Seaman Asha video like I told you, I did not finish watching the video. But I took my time and Kezigizaga. I finished watching that video. I finished watching that video. So because in when a pant red, Eban also pant red. With my picture, I know I used to have that picture, but I don't have it anymore. They are doing it in the name of Onyola Mega Commercial. What I go? Any dream here because that particular pant red they post through me here. In when drop it under that comment section because it's very important. Drop all me under that comment section, please. Anything are very important. So because you and do me one favor. Send post where you're under. I'm here to always tell you that I'm with you till the end of time. Much love. Okay, thank you, Ifeanyi, my dear. I'm in the name this thing and handing me. See you. When you talk about people who want enemy, I'm number one on this blue app. Because I'm about Hejoku. Majority of all these women, they are prostitutes. So when I say it the way they hate me. Majority of all these men, they are when I say it, they get annoyed. So when you talk about somebody with an enemy, Ogechi is number one. Ogechi is number one. See the kind of words that comes out of your mouth makes you wicked. Come on, Shinga Foiso. Come on, Jello, the choro to walk here, Maga Motuda. Susan Shinga Shinaya Jenny Wosu. Fuck off, Biko. So when you see those people commenting, they are my enemies, people that have already dealt with. People that are in perpetual pain, whether Ogechi Megodi Homa, they will see us as the wrong thing. So they don't exist as far as I'm concerned. You want to go? Those are the people that fought, that they couldn't achieve anything. So when you see them gather that place, they are in pain. They are in agony, which I don't send any of them. So it does not matter. It doesn't matter. You want to go? So when you see it, yes. When you come up telling me, yes, Ogechi want to name me. People, do you know how long I have fought on this blue app? I have fought over 9 to 10 years on this blue app. So why do you think I will not have an enemy? Yes, I do. But the bone of contention is Jpac, whether you like it or not. Let other people do the commercial for you. Let them do it for free. I chose him here online because if other people can volunteer to do everything for free, why are people paying you? If other people can volunteer to do it for free, then why are you being used? Is it not? I mean, does it really make sense? Does it really make sense or not? If people now can voluntarily doing ego and the people will go for it, why do you think people will be giving you job again? You don't be wasting money for anything. No. Okay, Chiku, please, if you want to stand one place, stand one place. Don't come in directly. I hate men that cannot come straight forward. Oshi story. You know the tire. For how long will you continue like this? Get the fuck out. For how long will you continue to come to my platform and display your stupidity? How long will you continue to come here to view me? If I'm not tired, are you not tired? If I'm not tired, are you not tired of coming to check when I'm talking? Are you not fucking tired? Come on, Susan Ogishinga, for before I block you. Ndala. If I am not tired, are you not tired as well? Somebody that's telling me I'm not tired. Are you not tired? So, please, any dream that short, oh, you read. There is no need of people paying you money to be doing commercial. If people can volunteer and do it for free, imagine camera 200,000 for free. Mayor. So why are you being paid in the ad and around? Is it not waste of money and waste of time? When you get your bag and out your job. When business person get your bag and your job. Nobody. So my mission is almost being completed, as you're saying it as well. That some people will volunteer to be doing it for free. Why? Nobody will pay you a dime. Rather, you will do it for free as well. But even if for free or for money, it's being damaged in your hands. So no need of coming to you. You can see that everything is also working according to my plan. Okay. You actually wake up from sleep. Good morning, I'm with you. Never mind what comes your way. I don't even understand your English. It doesn't make sense. I'm kind of confused. You're trying to put things together. You want to go? So you wear that pant there, they post to carry all the time. That pant ready, please, you wear the picture. Post it under there because all the very important. Why must they be giving you a job if many people that can offer to give rent something self when you go there for free? Usun be man ba na awore ge ihe jeri nri ka na acho for free. Ichene na emem maka Chineke imekwa alam. God imekwa alam. Do you know how much I'm making a day? Here I'm sitting talking to you. Megolem na making a day. Muno na about Sahara na Facebook. I get chat out some. Na ma gram school para we no naka. Eso mu na ezuzu. E wataga. Very soon na ma pay one of my biggest opening business in America na koiri. Yeah, na we go oil or we go rubbish. Away go Facebook is no longer paying much. We are talking about hair care money. Kana koiri wonya mona go no. Let me tell you, some people say Ogechi are they jealous Jpac. On what ground, if I may ask you? Do you know where Japan, the rugged investor? Some people are just useless. I just they look when they laugh. I put jealous. Please, what am I jealousing him for? I want you to be specific. And I'm a jealous. I'm not going to mad kunye yo go mbe mu na ede na mma. Ejo account ya share with account ya kunye yo go. People mu na ede na mma, they want to appreciate you. I will tell them, go and ask him now. Jealousy and again. You una makwadi ihe. And me jealousy that all come. Or me jealousy that all come mad. Can me jealousy that the contact on that one. Which contact again left for him? The only strong contact to him if I know about every other person are just a normal contact. Jpac, you know I know you better. I get to that. I wish you know. I wish you know. Anyway, Shigene, you know they tired. Okay, I have to go down here. And I call you. What is the essence of paying you when people are? Don't you see that a robot is doing better than human being if they can put up almost how many strength work, and the human being can only put on 8 hours, they can put on 24 hours. Why are you using human being when they can do it better? Time will become a mala because I did dream that pants because every video drop this morning. I wanted to reply him. And I call it. Okay, when I get for a hustle, you may make you capota being wow. What did you aware? It's an obakashimon. Nya gati. It's not that. I know, said anybody. I'm coming. Oh, man, buzo, very chage. Make sure that when you're little, I can't go to anything. Very chage. Whether Ogechi is a criminal, whether Ogechi scam people, whether Ogechi don't yash your mama, whether Ogechi don't yash your papa, it's none of my business. That one is none of my business. My mission, we got that thing in a rekibuoya, urobara. Because when they gauge makam order that time, when people gauge makam haga order. Do you understand it? And when they, my fans that love me, that want to buy that thing, they will not buy it because I tell you, okay, they are aware. And when the people they follow me, that they will not patronize you. When people get makamu enemy, they will patronize it. But no businessman wants such division. Every businessman wants everybody to come and patronize him or her. Amami, what I'm saying. So if you're going to sell of 50%, you end up selling of 25%. That is the strategy of this thing I'm doing to you now. Ewu itibi. I shall go and face. Aya, get the fuck out of here. Aya, fuck off. Aya, uplock along the baggage another account to be on a mekwage. Are you not useless? Aya, fuck off. I don't associate with touts. Normally fair. You want to go? So, I just want you to understand that. You want to go? And when credibility, and when fans that love me for not having credibility, that have criminal record, and when fans that love me, I get criminal record, I have a bad record, there are still fans that love it the way I am. Those fans may love to patronize you, they will not buy it. Oh, when you allow a very poor IQ, when they talk, people want an IQ like him or her will say, oh, you spoke well. You analyze very well. Don't you know that when they like me having criminal, nakeding people, being who I am? Do you guys reason at all? And when many options when it comes to business strategy, while business option now, like America, they don't like any dispute in whatever they are saying or in whatever they are doing. When it comes to this product, let's assume company when you keep producing when you kill 50, and when you take out chocolate away dent, because you know why? There are a lot of competition in the market. They will always ask you, how is their customer service? You got to go. And when who company na choco dent, no matter whether the person will enemy you or anything, all of them want to please everybody. Because you know what? There are a lot of competition. And then you know they want a lot of people who need furniture, and when a lot of people who need lands. So nobody wants any discrepancy or any question mark na business on our own. Do you understand it? Emma, when someone with a little IQ, when no reason I want forward of the, let me tell you, there's a lot of competition now on this in this world. And when you try to put a product you have a question mark, and I buy take one person actually, yes, because if I said it, everybody will buy is a lie. People love me when it comes to people and when I'm fans. No matter how you say you hate Ogechi, I still get fans who love me. Tangu koko. Ejiri mbe mpotara mere wa go ata commercial mara. Aswa go ga bagi. People koni him zuala in a day carry 50. Go and verify, no be toko. And I call you get it. You get it, don't have credibility. Come on, Michelle. Shut up. Shut up. You get put on him. You get put on him. You think it's all these recharge card people that follows you and comment. Yes, you are saying the truth. Yes, they will be the one to patronize the market. Hell no. And when them reach followers, and when them followers that is worth money. No be talk. Award this recharge card. Hey, let's comment. Yes, I hate her. Do you know the strategy of business? In a brain. Do you have brain? Let me tell you. Do you think on I moved to mountain for him in a twinkle of an eye? And the fans now fans in the recharge card. Fans may not be recharge card fans. Makachileka they tell you, no be recharge card fans. You know this a lot of enemies in Ogechi. When I recharge card people where I don't finish and I show retired bitch saying rubber. And they tell you I the boss for them because I know what they are capable of doing. None in my bad dangers who may feel fans in 5 point something million. You don't be talking, no miss. New people, even the main people. Hello, mommy. I hope you are. Hey, I'm sure I restaurant. We send the alarm message. I cannot come no. I'm still at work, baby girl. Sorry, baby boy. What should I restaurant? Hello, Momo. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Sick, I had a really bad headache today. I could have caused in class. I missed my. Yes, I'm 50. Okay, mom, you're on one more. Generously. Okay, when I'm coming tonight, I'm coming home. I will see you when I come back. Is the change of weather? Oh, you're not weather changing, Hannah. The change of weather. Yeah, I should I gotta buy better I should win a code. Mjona masoya minioko. Sheila ginger. Cause I'm a she made this traditional stuff for Gabake. She be ma. Now, let me tell you one thing you don't understand. And when any businessman and a just saga in his business, let's me baby build a very high clientele. Man that don't want a strong go. When he's a go no game it. But where competition is very strong. Aya, Jpac told me that he would negate money. Aya, Otilo, but here. They want to go? So you know be talker. You know be talker. When this Ezugo here post through today, you will see Ezugo go tell you. I never put my out for them. I just posted them because I wanted 2 hairs there. I just from Gia support Toya as a brother. That is me for you. You want to go? Don't be surprised, baby. You know we me go pay for them. No be talker. My mother Leila strong foundation. Now this blue. No matter how you talk, so Ogechi is a criminal. Ogechi kill Mr. B. Ogechi is scamming the Igbo. Ogechi is scamming the Biafra. Now you they talk to yourself. After you finish ranting with all your propaganda, you enter inside. So all people with a minority brain, they have a very small brain that can say, if you apologize to Ogechi, I will help your wife for scatter your the marriage where you could not keep. The marriage where you marry anyway, I'm coming. Jpac, let me even finish with you. I call saga. You see this saga? Hey! I got one of the hottest saga on Blue app. Save Maya. Because Facebook, data go born. Data go born. I should come back to Nigeria. I know they come. E-book room ticket, and a ticket is one of the most expensive things in the world. How will I come? And where may I go? I don't have $4,000 to $5,000. Where am I gonna get it from? I don't have money. TK, you know. So book ticket for me. You will see me tomorrow. Or you cannot tell me be coming back while I don't have the money. I don't want to wait to property when I go play. And imagine me now, maybe with 5 to 40. I'm going to go let ticket. Oh, the 5 to even 14,000 as I'm speaking to you for business class. No, we do they go. I come push your investments. Come on, 500,000. Sorry, from $500 to $1 million naira. I know they come back. Oh. I know they come back. You can't force me. I'm not coming. You have to like it too much. You got drag him. In Nigeria, anywhere I do, I got crowd go plenty. If I return Niger, no matter how you propaganda reach you, if I land Niger, as it is now, road no go day. And time is almost up. Time also got watching. So anywhere I enter, even if the hotel I go lodge, because I'm not gonna stay in my house. lie. Even if the hotel I go there, but I go just visit them, make sure that everything intact. Anywhere I go there, it go be rugged. Even that person get rugged. Come to Russia. I can go to Russia. That's why you have to come. We are your fans. No, you're not my fans. Because my fans cannot comment this stupid. Madam, face your marriage and leave this man alone. Okay. Ogi face your marriage before I started beef with you. Mbemuna Jpac then wasn't I facing my marriage? When my husband the boy Jpac we are boy actually no matter Jpac yash okay. Oh my honey dimbo. Born as a yes sir. Oh my honey. Chineka bolu no come and go back. I go protect you with everything I have because we love. Please, I don't want come. Oh. I don't want come. Because protect you and take on Nigeria. Jpac can exist good ala no more. Jpac cannot go with Jpac cannot. Because chala no pantala de am because any dream my warriors they take to do. I could have I could have, some people say, Ogechi won a lot of enemy. Let's be talking against her. Imagine somebody say, Ogechi, that I was the one castigating her. Nah, one casual. Anyway, don't worry. That's a story for another day. Because Facebook will get one call. Oga saga without end. Say Facebook. Let me tell you, I have fucking nothing to lose. My children, they won't hold you him in Facebook. I've already told them. That's my life. This is all my family. They don't give a fuck about all this. They know who their mama is. Hey, we leave our children to see it. Fuck you. How your children go feel. My children, they will have time with this rubbish. They don't get time. This is me. And they know. If your children, they think go pen them. No do. Mine, no go. Nothing go pen them. Because I'm training them in the best school. They are going one of the best school. They are not in public. They are private schools. And when we hear shit today that I did not offer them. So what will be their business and what I did as a grown up woman? I'm gonna go deal with a problem. You know? What about Nda porn stars? They proud of it, name the children gabalagazi mahato. Ndala. Onare who worried about people that have already deformed and destroyed their lives. Ya will get you a talk. Ndala. So just on him name. Women are being selling their nudes. You guys are not worried about that one. I will get you talk. Now waiting my children go look me. Come on, this is for me. Gonna go deal with all the mess. Now time is for about so today. Just like that time is going reach. Tomorrow I'm off. Oh, thank God. Off tomorrow. So it's all in bank. In the bank. In that bank. Very important. Story all the time. Yes, if I want to get the story, you will not leave that story alone. I will keep telling the story. Charles, Metonda Woody. Charles, Metonda, may that your career be careerless. May that your career be careerless. Ebe, you get later. Oje parere nnapu. Paria nnamu. Paria nnemu. Bome ebubo. Nnamu jikwara ramu. Nnamu jikwa bamu n'ike. Njikwara mmụọ ndị akpa ahụ. And that one in who ya. Career ga ahụ gbukwe gidi ya. You ready to go? All right, Mama.
I'm already put in the hallway in front of you.
All right.
Enjoy your off day.
All right, baby.
See you Friday.
Sure, baby.
Okay.
Whatever. Career gbuo gị gbuo nne gị gbuo nna gị gbuo anything that will stand to make that your useless career. May that your career choke you. So when I was morning, because I wasn't a career. Mama, this is the recent one that happened yesterday. You brought out my mother. You don't know the career. If career chop you career wopun. A career mapun rubit. One an career. My mom destroy career and career ha boje he bobo jim pam. By then I need me be na koiri. Na koiri. Don't worry, all my Jpac go for the name is free now. Is it that job? They have volunteered because what you want is what they are looking for. Enemy has become a friend overnight. Again, I'm not God. I am not God. If you want to be God, you go and be in that position to be forgiven 20 times. I am not God. I'm a human being. That's why I'm on this earth. I am not God. I am not God. Don't compare me with Chineke. And I'm not a prophet. I'm not a pastor. I am giving me brag. You want to go? God do she image all madi ibegi before you come and ask for forgiveness in his presence. Give us or you nya or you go to be na Bible. Okay, you go to be okay now. Okay. I remember why I cannot block this J Cola. It's just coming out only band. I'm why I cannot block you. I just wanna block you. This HIV positive man. That's why I block again. You know, I can only ban you. I don't know. Oh, the phone, my phone is not allow me to block people. Abraham, I'm not coming. No, my mission is beginning to suffer to happen. I don't know again. Also for free, and I can marry the guy. Some people say for free. Jpac. And yeah, I go. I got a free. That means a Baba Huru. That means a Baba Huru. So why are you existing? That means I have scattered you. And I go get valueless. That's another people gonna name is here for free. Jpac. When you gonna go? I'm gonna just say bang for free. I'm gonna actually make a go. Like a papa go. I'm gonna start getting ready because I'm not gonna book me. I will be doing it for free. I will be doing it for free. Mama, like I say, come see. I will be doing it for when they be doing. Oh, the plan. The plan is business free. So all in and out for free. On a for in you no. Come on, Zuzu phone on my face or says that. But no, I come. The business people not like you hear me. Free marketing, free marketing, oh way. Free marketing, Ogechi be thankful. Charles, say fuck off. Fuck you. Fuck off. Thankful to Ibu Negi. Thankful to Ibu Negi. They I do go purity. Thank you, bless you. God bless you all, man. Ndị Igbo na-akwagide arụ. Come to Nigeria. I know go come. Ebuzilo onwe chiso mu gene. I know they come. No need of telling me to come because I'm not coming, baby girl. If you're waiting for me, you're waiting for nothing. I can't come to Nigeria. I am not coming. Igalo balamu this year. Balamegala this year. I'm Nozubune Wupiti channel. We are no longer interested in saga. Oh yeah. Why are you here then? Come block. Thank God the block. Woo! Hallelujah. Then why are you here? Why are you fucking? I am not coming. Why are you here? If I may ask you, you're no longer fucking interested and you're using fake account to come to my platform. You must come and be this girl. They play the show. You know, my mission is beginning to make it happen. They play the show now. Missionary complete. As if for free marketing. Hey, yeah, my turn. Good. As if for free market. Oh, more. Hey. I was serious than a program for Judas Iscariot. And then me make sure okay, to go over. God don't answer our prayer today. We are shift. Make I do. God don't answer our prayer. He they play, he they show.